Hello and welcome to this video. Today we'll be solving the issue of Microsoft Edge not responding or not opening in Windows 11 or 10. Now let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is to open the Microsoft Edge if it's not responding. And we will be fixing the not opening part as well. So I have just opened the Microsoft Edge, and here we just need to click on the three dots and then go to settings. And here we need to click on reset settings from the left hand side and then restore the setting to the default values and hit the reset. Now since the setting is reset, try to open the Microsoft Edge again. Now we'll move to the next step, which is Microsoft Edge not opening. So for that, we just need to type in the search bar troubleshoot and then click on troubleshoot settings. Now the moment you find troubleshoot window, you're looking for other troubleshooters and scroll it down a little bit and look for program compatibility troubleshooter and run it. Now the moment we start it, it will start detecting issues, and here we'll have to select Microsoft Edge and click on it, and then we are given the option of choosing the problem. If there is any other problem relating to Microsoft Edge, you can enter it here and hit this. Now it will start detecting your problem. Once it detected the issue, make sure that you follow on-screen instruction. It will take hardly 5 minutes and then restart the device and see the magic.